Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So we have this question: the price of a book is increased by 25%. In what ratio has the price increased? So initially the price of the book was 100%, but the final now is 125. So we're going to write it in the form of 100 is to 125. So this is the new ratio, but divided by a common ratio we're going to have to narrow it down. This is equals to 4:5. So in question number B, it is saying what is the new price of the book if the book was 400 shillings before the change. So initially the book was 400 shillings, which was equals to 100, which is equals to 4. So 4 is equals to 400. What about 5? So we're going to go 5 multiplied by 400 divided by 4. This is equal to 500. This is the required answer.